Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do flying kick in UFC 6. So before doing the flying kick, you need to make sure that the fighter you are using have the flying kick available in his moveset, and to check that, firstly pause your game and try to find the view moves option. Once you find it, select it, then go to kick section and then find flying kick if it is available for your fighter or not. So currently my fighter has this rear flying knee available, and it can be performed by the key combination shown here. For me, I need to press R2 plus L1 plus circle on my PlayStation controller. If you're on Xbox, then the Xbox keys will be shown for your flying kick. Now if I again scroll down here, then I should be able to find another flying kick. As you can see, lead flying switch knee, and it can be performed by R2 plus cross. Then we have lead flying knee, and it can be performed by R2 plus circle. Now you just have to go back into your game and then perform the key combination. So for the first flying knee, I need to hold down R2, L1 and then circle. Then the fighter will perform the flying knee. And the another one was R2 plus cross. There you go, we have this another flying knee, then R2 plus circle, and there we have it. In case your fighter doesn't perform the flying kick, then try switching your stance between the southpaw or orthodox. In orthodox stance, the probability of the flying kick is higher. This is the way. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.